Where did you come from? You can judge by your appearance. I wish you an escape from the sea of samsara. Buddhism believes that people have previous lives and
Life
afterlives.
and death.
Reincarnation continues. And reincarnation is not just about human reincarnation.
It is 6 cycles of reincarnation.
We all know that. The 6 realms and 3 realms are a total of 6 life forms, including heaven and earth. Asura was born. Ghost hell. Liuda middle school.
All we see now are people and births.
And the other 4 life forms. It can only be seen under certain conditions. As for the way of life after death, or continue to be reincarnated, or the devil of hell. Animal Road, this mainly depends on the time of tiredness, the various good and evil karma you have accumulated, habit, the combined impact of emerging Shane capabilities, etc. Make sure. So some people have such doubts. Since after death, there are so many possibilities for reincarnation. Then how to judge? From which reincarnation did this person come? In fact, based on a person's appearance, you can judge. Today, I'm here to talk to you. How to look at someone's appearance to determine which reincarnation he came from. Before we start today's content, I hope you can subscribe and little bells. Liking is the greatest support for the editor. Thank you very much. When each of the 6 paths turns into a human being, they all have some very unique habits. And through these habits, we can easily determine, self or others, which reincarnation did it come from. Dabo Chicken Essence, Volume 70 to Middle School. There was such a detailed record. The physical appearance of all beings in the world. Everything is cause and effect. The physical appearance of the world. Behavior. Action as. No living being is unaccustomed. Every sentient being's habits have a reason. Look at what this person looks like. Words and deeds. You can know. After all, he came from the 6 realms. Inhale like the smell of garlic. Even if you crush it to pieces, it's hard to get rid of with perfume. Birds of a feather flock together. All living beings are also influenced by its swarm manufacturing industry. So let's talk about from hell to neutralization first. The appearance and characteristics of beings born in the world. The voice of the person who came out of hell road was hoarse, like a donkey's neck making a sound, a loud and coarse roar. Violent and impatient. To those who are reincarnated in hell often speak but believe less. What madness! Makes it hard to trust them. So they're usually very lonely. No relatives or friends. 3 people reincarnated in hell are not only ugly and disrespectful to the teacher, do not believe in the Dharma. For those who are reincarnated in hell are not only unfilial and unrighteous. No shame. 5. Those who are reincarnated in hell are good at killing. Often do many evil things. 6 people who are reincarnated in hell are very short-lived. They don't get longevity. 7. Those who are reincarnated in hell cannot develop a bodhi heart when they see goodness. Looking at the above various appearance characteristics, such people are doomed to die. Will fall back into the middle of Sandow. Then let's talk about from animal to creepy. The appearance and characteristics of beings born in the world. From animal to man. Even very dull. stupid and less wise, do things without measure, and slack and lazy. To the man who came out of the beast. Gluttony. Do not pick thickness. I will eat anything dirty. You look complacent and indifferent. 3. The man who came out of the beast. Personality is both powerful and powerful. Speak abruptly. For the man who came out of the beast. The body is very strong. It's like a cow. And like to move things. 5. Likes to pour fish to eat. Be close friends with people who share the same animal nature. 6. Come out of the animal lane. People, due to the habit of lying down left in the animal track. So I like boxing. 7. People who came out of the animal lane. You can lie on the ground anytime, anywhere. I'm not avoiding dirt. 8. The man who came out of the beast. Like to be naked. If you can't wear clothes, you won't wear clothes. No shame at all. 9. The man who came out of the beast. Fraudulent and always crazy. 10. People who came out of the animal lane. You're good at talking nonsense about other people, tell right and wrong, and it's very squiggly. Very unreliable. 11. The man who came out of the beast. Likes to seek other people's property and long love to pay off debts, always thinking of ways to get out of debt. 12. The man who came out of the beast. Seeing kindness cannot be motivated. Do not believe in the Dharma and often suffer from evil and evil. For such beings. So wandering life and death, back and forth in the evil way, uncountable calamity. Time is rare for this. This person is still the same. Therefore, it is destined to return to the sea of misery after death, incarnate and fall back into the animal lane. This is unknown to outsiders. Let's talk about coming out of the ghost world. Characteristics of the appearance of beings born on earth. People who come out of the ghost world look black and thin. And the face has no luster. 2 short hairs. Goose yellow wings vicissitude shape. Crooked nose. Ferocious eyes. Always like to show the whites. And they're always looking straight at things. 3. Often feel hungry and thirsty. Often want to eat. 4. Personalities are very humble, greedy and jealous. People who are very afraid of being an official. 5. Very persistent and evil. He always likes to speak ill of people behind his back, provoke right and wrong. 6. Have greed and lust. Love accumulates money and supplies. You can't give up without giving to sentient beings. It can be said to be miserly to the extreme. I'm very tired of kind people. I don't like to see good deeds. Only believe in evil. The person lent by the 8 ghosts. When you see money and finances, you will be moved. I can't help but want to steal him and take it for themselves. The people who come out of the 9 ghosts realm have been greedy for a long time, stealing hearts and never knowing satisfaction. Take a little loss accidentally. I hate it. 10 people who come out of the ghost realm, greedy for a little money or cheap. There is joy in the heart if you are greedy for money. You get jealous. 11 people who come out of the ghost realm. I really believe in ghosts. Covetous talk. Self-identified mission. Yearning for priests. Happy to yin meow. Covetous talk and ask for humility. Kneel down and pray to make a fortune. So people who come out of the ghost world, destined to go to hell first after death. after years of suffering. Come out of hell again. Regenerate into a ghost. So round and round, life and death are endless. The Blessed One once told the Westerners that you are deluded by evil. Don't know karma? I don't know what is good. I don't know the above-mentioned phenomena. These are heretical idiots. Can't know. Here we go. From the body of a non-human Shura, the appearance characteristics of beings incarnated into the human world. 1. A person who was reincarnated from the Shura path. Very arrogant. And my heart is very strong. They are also not very Dharma-minded. Even if you occasionally enter Buddhism, motives are not simple. And they were always fighting. For the sake of profit, disaster and disaster are the same as injury. People who turn around in the Shura like anger very much. Angry at every turn. I also love to fight with people. The hearts of the people who turned around in the Asura Tao are extremely chivalrous. You hate people. Wish for revenge. You have to bring down others to give up. And they really hate people. Don't look good. And extremely heavy. Therefore, it is often disgusting. The speech of the reincarnated person of Shura Tao. Do not eat hypocrisy. 5 Shura Tao reincarnated people not only like Lazai. He also scolded 6 people in turn. The person who turned around in Shura Tao. Generally tall. Red eye white round. Thinning teeth. Cusps of teeth. On the outside, it looks like Kongwu is powerful. All I think about is how to fight. Like liking the wild. War Games 7. Asura Tao reincarnated person. It's easy to fight. And while the hatred is urgent and endless. It Asura Tao reincarnated people. Very good at gossiping. It's divisive. Or like to use a means to open up the 9 of harmony between the two people. The person who turned around in Shura Tao not only despised the virtuous, but also the length of the wise. Back to good people. Because of these bad things, such people are doomed to go straight to hell when they die, suffering without beginning. Then you will have other bad interests with the leopard. Fall back to Asura Tao. Let's talk about humanity again. The appearance characteristics of humane people who are reborn after death. Humane reincarnation. Character and integrity. Close friends. Envelope with letter. Loyalty and filial piety. If the wicked slander. Humiliate people. That is, this person is making trouble by the lake. Intentionally slander this person. This man will never go against his slanderer. Why is this so? Because such people are easy to attack. You know what shame is. So they are very kind and trustworthy. 3 people to reincarnation. Very fond of fame. That is, being praised and having a good reputation. And he's very good at memory arch bridges. I have great respect for the wise. For people who have been reincarnated, have a sense of shame, soft heart. For those who take care of themselves, gratitude. I will repay you at the first opportunity. 5 people who have been reincarnated by humanity. The teaching of good knowledge. His heart is obedient and does not violate 6. Man to reincarnation. There's compassion. Filial piety foster parents. The lost monk is filial and respectful. Knowing that others are in a hurry, they will help. There are principles in life and work. Measured 8. Humane reincarnation. Know the way to get along well. Love Buddhism. Believe in Buddhism. 9 people who have been reincarnated by humanity. All right. Long-term maintenance. 10 people who have been reincarnated and willing to owe debt, will not betray others. 11 people who have been reincarnated. Even if you don't have money, it's the same thing. It's learning to be good and lose. Help others. Hope for peace. I don't want to see others suffer. People like this behave truthfully, etc. Destined to be born only in heaven after death, will not go to hell. Receive great happiness. Do not suffer. Live forever. So one last thought. The appearance characteristics of all beings reincarnated from heaven. If there are sentient beings holding the 5 realms, practicing the 10 good deeds can lead to life in heaven. CHINH Maui. When born on earth from the end of heaven. Stern-looking. According to Jengsen Jengjian's appearance is very sparse. He is intelligent, happy and pure. 2 people who were reincarnated from heaven. Happy wearing huamen, incense. Long love immortal tribulation. Be friends with virtuous people. 3 Chanle music singing and dancing admiration. 4 love living in tall buildings. Don't want to live in low buildings. 5 people were born from heaven to earth. Take the lead. Smiling. Even if you are angry, you are alive, reasonable and virtuous. Speech softly. Every sentence is skillful and convenient. And speak sincerely. Let the listeners believe in joy. Talking doesn't hurt. Great wisdom. 6 likes to dress very solemnly. 7 this person is friendly. Happy cooking. 8 if you become a teacher. You will practice diligently. Close travel. Steady counseling. Do not love worldly fame and fortune. Just ask for the supreme Bodhi. 9 such people. Wise and wise. Multi-solution practice. Hard to hate. Unmeasured. Non-verbal perception. This is virtuous. Shengshen Takyu. Muroxia realm. Will soon become a Buddha. The above is about the appearance and characteristics of the 6 beings. Let's compare it with each other. See where you came from. Don't be discouraged if evil comes. Take advantage of being human now. Practice hard. Get out of the sea of samsara as soon as possible.